So, have you ever stumbled upon those amazing animations in your Settings app and thought, I need to turn that on right now? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to guide you through some fantastic features that can elevate your Android experience, starting with the exciting Predictive Animation setting. Let's dive into it. Picture this. As you swipe back through your apps, you catch a glimpse of what's waiting for you before the swipe is even complete. That sneak peek is all thanks to Predictive Back Animations. This feature is a gem that's available on virtually any Android phone running Android 14 or later, and yes, Samsung devices have it too. But how do you unlock this treasure? For this, first, head over to your settings and scroll down to the About Phone section. Once you're there, look for software information and then locate the build number. Here's the fun part. Tap that build number 7 times in a row. This little trick will unlock a hidden developer settings menu. Now you can directly type Predictive into the search bar or scroll down to the animation section in the developer option and you'll find the option to enable these snazzy animations. Just toggle it on, and just like that, you'll have those sleek animations in any app that supports them, whether it's the Settings app or even the Google Calendar app. Pretty cool, right? Now speaking of the Settings app, let's be real for a moment. The default layout can feel a bit clunky and unintuitive. For instance, why is the Modes and Routines option so high up, while the app's menu is buried at the bottom? I mean, some of this stuff I hardly ever use. Thankfully, Samsung has given us a nifty solution through the Good Lock app's Registar module. Here's how you can customize it. Open the Good Lock app, tap the top option, and then dive in. This tool lets you reorder every single setting to your heart's content, and you can even hide options that you don't use. It's simple, saves you time, and makes navigation a breeze. And before I wrap things up, I want to share a quick tip for anyone wondering how I managed to hide the navigation bar on my Galaxy S24, even after Samsung removed that option in the latest One UI updates. The secret is another Good Lock module called Navstar. With Navstar, just toggle on the option for extra gesture settings. Now when you go into your settings, navigate to display, and find the navigation bar option, you can tap on more options to discover the gesture hint toggle. Turning that off will free up your screen space, giving you more room to enjoy all your content. So, there you have it. A few incredible tweaks to make your Samsung experience even better. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to hit that like button and follow for more awesome Samsung tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and happy customizing.